Picture this. You're at the grill. Everything smells amazing. The meat's sizzling, tongs in one hand, confidence in the other. And then, doubt creeps in. Is it done? You press the steak a little, stare at it like it's going to answer back, and hope for the best. We've all been there. One minute you're grill master, the next you're Googling signs of undercooked chicken with guests already at the table. That's where a digital instant read meat thermometer changes the game. No more guesswork, no more stress, and definitely no more dry meat or sketchy centers. Just fast, accurate readings that let you cook with confidence every time. Whether you're grilling, roasting, deep frying, or just trying to survive Thanksgiving without a food safety incident, having one of these in your kitchen is a lifesaver. So today, I've rounded up 9 of the best digital meat thermometers you can get right now. Some are simple and straightforward, others are smart and connected, but they all get the job done. Links to every product are down in the description if one of them grabs your attention. Let's check them out. Starting us off strong is the Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer. This one is a favorite among casual backyard grillers and seasoned home chefs alike because it's just so straightforward and dependable. It gives you a quick and accurate temperature reading in just a few seconds, and its large backlit display makes it easy to read, even if you're cooking in dim lighting or during a smoky BBQ session. One feature I really appreciate is the waterproof design, which means cleaning it under running water is a breeze. It folds up for easy storage and even comes calibrated out of the box. One small drawback is that the build quality doesn't feel as premium as some higher-end models, but for the price and performance, it's honestly hard to beat. A friend of mine uses this almost daily in his air fryer adventures and swears by how foolproof it is, especially when he's juggling multiple dishes at once. Next is the ThermoPro TP03H, which is another solid pick, especially if you're after value. It's compact, fast, and waterproof, and comes with an automatic shutoff feature that helps preserve battery life. The foldable probe makes it safe to store, and the calibration feature gives you added confidence in its accuracy. Plus, that backlit LCD is really handy in low light. The biggest limitation I've noticed is that while it's quick, the temperature reading can fluctuate slightly if you're not steady with your hand, so it might take a second try to confirm. Still, for anyone who wants a dependable and budget-friendly thermometer that doesn't feel cheap, this one checks a lot of boxes. Let's talk about the Rouyo Meat Thermometer. This one's a hidden gem and a popular choice among online reviewers. It delivers fast readings, is fully waterproof, and includes a hold function, so you can lock in the temperature reading if you're trying to angle it in a tight spot. The magnet on the back is a small touch that I personally love. It means you can slap it onto your grill or fridge and always know where it is. One downside I did hear from a user online is that the instructions could be clearer, especially if you're new to digital thermometers. But once you figure it out, it's smooth sailing. It's great for turkey, beef, candy, or even homebrewing if you're into that kind of thing. A solid multitasker. Now, if you're left-handed, or just like a good gadget, the ThermoPro TP19H might be the one to check out. This one has an ambidextrous display that auto-rotates depending on how you hold it, which is honestly such a nice little feature you don't think you need until you try it. It's fast, super accurate, and has motion-sensing technology that wakes the thermometer up the second you pick it up. That saves you a little time and battery. I've personally used this one for BBQ sessions and appreciate how intuitive it is. The one small annoyance is the button layout isn't super intuitive at first, so there's a little learning curve. But once you're used to it, it becomes second nature. It's perfect for anyone who values precision and a little bit of smart functionality in the kitchen. Now, let's change gears a bit with the Inkbird IBT26S. This one stands out because it's Bluetooth-enabled and designed for rotisserie or longer grilling sessions. It connects to an app on your phone so you can monitor the temp remotely. Super handy if you're prepping other dishes or just want to chill with your guests. It's got multiple probe support too, which is excellent if you're cooking different cuts at once. A buddy of mine used this for a Thanksgiving turkey and said the peace of mind it gave him was worth every penny. However, if you're not super tech savvy or don't like dealing with apps, this might be more than you need. It's best for folks who love slow cooking, smoking, or just want to avoid babysitting the grill. Now here's a real tech-forward option, the Chef IQ Smart Meat Thermometer. This one is like having a sous chef in your pocket. It comes with 3 ultra-thin probes and offers unlimited range Bluetooth when paired with a Wi-Fi hub. That means you can literally go grocery shopping while your brisket finishes in the smoker. The app is well designed and helps you track your temps in real time. I tested this one on a long weekend cookout and it genuinely made life easier. The only drawback? It's more expensive, and if you don't need all the bells and whistles, it could be overkill. But if you love smart kitchen gear and want precision plus convenience, this is a top-tier pick. Onto the AMMZO meat thermometer, which is all about rugged utility. It's waterproof, has a backlit screen, and the response time is nice and quick. It's designed for a wide range of uses: BBQ, roasting, candy, even camping. It has a solid, durable feel to it, and the battery life holds up really well. One of my neighbors swears by this one for camping trips because it's easy to clean, stores well, and handles the elements without a fuss. My only nitpick is the display could be a little brighter in direct sunlight, but aside from that, it's a great all-around tool for people who like versatility and durability in their gear. If you're looking for something with a longer range and built-in flexibility, the ThermoPro TP20 might be worth a closer look. This one's got a dual probe system and a 500-foot wireless range, so you can monitor 2 different meats or areas at once from a good distance away. There's no need for a smartphone or app, which is great for those who want something more traditional. It's perfect for smokers and long cooking sessions. One friend mentioned that the probes can be a bit fragile if handled roughly, so you do need to store them with care. But for the set-it-and-forget-it type of cook who doesn't want to be glued to the grill, this is a winner. And finally, we have the Lavatools Javelin PRO Duo. This thing is fast, like under 1 second fast. It's sleek, NSF certified, and has an auto-rotating display that's easy to read from any angle. It's also IP65 water resistant, which makes it a breeze to clean. What really impressed me during testing was how responsive it is and how comfortable it feels in the hand. It's a bit pricier than basic models, but the speed and build quality make it worth it, especially if you cook often. If you're someone who values precision, speed, and that touch of pro-level polish, this is a great investment. So, which one is right for you? If you're just getting started or want a great budget pick, the Alpha Grillers and ThermoPro TP03H are fantastic value options that deliver fast and reliable results. For those looking for more advanced features or tech integration, the Inkbird IBT26S and Chef IQ Smart Meat Thermometer bring Bluetooth and app control into the mix, giving you flexibility and peace of mind during longer cooks. If you're someone who likes durable and outdoor-ready gear, the AMMZO and ThermoPro TP20 offer excellent build quality and features for camping, smoking, and multitasking meals. And if you want precision and performance in the palm of your hand, both the ThermoPro TP19H and Lavatools Javelin PRO Duo are perfect for pros or enthusiastic home chefs who don't want to compromise on accuracy or speed. Take a moment to think about how often you cook, what style of cooking you do most, and whether you prefer simplicity or smart features. That'll help narrow it down quickly. Again, you'll find all the links to check out or pick up any of these thermometers right down in the description. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. May your steaks always be medium rare and your turkeys never dry.